Hi everybody, my name's Justin Murray from TMT at McGrath and welcome to 33 Moorshead Street down here in Capalaba. We've got a fantastic family home here with beautiful modern decor fittings throughout and some great outdoor features as well. Come through and have a look. Check out the outdoor features here. We've got a 7 metre by 6 metre outdoor entertainment area, perfect for the family barbecues, a fire pit sitting on a floating deck, and we've got a swimming pool here for the kids. Don't forget of our bonus features of the side access down on the left hand side. We've got a handyman shed here and we've got a storage facility here that's perfect for a workshop. Thanks for watching. My name's Justin Murray from TNT and our family can't wait to see your family down here on site for an inspection soon. Bye for now.